First of all, option D suggests that there are proven controversial causes. But there is no sentence in the paragraph that supports this statement, so the answer option is incorrect. Second, answer option C suggests that the causes of hospital admissions are weak safety standards, which is wrong, because the paragraph clearly states that hospital admissions for 3 common illnesses are linked to food poisoning. Therefore, C answer option is also incorrect. Now, let's look at answer option B. According to this option, there is no evidence to support the food poisoning cases. This information is the opposite of what we see in the paragraph, which clearly shows an HS date approving these admissions. Therefore, B answer option is also incorrect. Finally, answer option A says that there is disagreement regarding these hospital admissions' origin. This option is supported by the sentence that says, "The cause, or in other words, the origin, of the increase in hospital admissions is disputed. Experts point to various factors." Therefore, answer option A is the right answer.